Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have another problem, a circle problem that we have that you might find in your SAT exam or FE exam, or a lot of classes that you take. You might find this type of problems. So if you're planning for exams for math, please stop the video and try to solve it by yourself and then come back. Alright, so let's start solving the problem. Just to mention, we have another video we did that talking about how we can get the equation by having the 2 points of the circle. We'll have the center and we'll have a point in a circumference. So this problem kind of give you the opposite. They give you the equation until you get in the points and get the radius. So let's get started. The equation for the circle is x squared plus 4x plus y squared plus 8y equal to 0. What is the coordinates of the circle's center? Okay, let's get started. Just write down the equation of the circle just to know what we're trying to do. So x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. So we'll try to get something looks like that. Okay, let's start by having the x stuff in one bracket, x plus the y stuff in one bracket squared equal, and they give you the r, which is 0 for now. The number gonna be changing while we're solving the problem. Okay, so the rule is for the x, let's say here for x, for y. So this number, you're gonna divide it by 2, and then you square that value. So basically that is 4, so it's gonna be 2, and 2 squared equal to 4. And basically you come and you make x minus 2, which is this one, all squared, minus 4. Okay, if this one is negative 4, here is gonna be plus. Okay, that is how you can do this way. So if you did the calculation after that, you're gonna find this one is equal to x squared plus 4x. It's the same thing. It's exactly the same thing. Okay, we're gonna do the same steps for the y-axis, for the y points. So here is 8, so it's gonna be 4. So 4 squared, which is gonna be 16. So basically you're gonna do the same thing. Y, oh sorry, that is plus, because that is plus. Here also is plus, because that is 4 squared and minus 16. Okay, let's put everything again in the equation. So x plus 2 all squared minus 4 plus y plus 4 all squared minus 16 equal to 0. See, this one and this one looks like this one and this one. So we have kind of the same format for the equation for the circle. So we can add negative 4 and negative 16 and send them to the other side. So x plus 2 all squared plus y plus 4 all squared equal, so that is negative 20, so it will be 20. Okay, so, and remember this one is r squared. So r equal root 20, square root of 20, and the points is negative 2, negative 4. Okay, always flip the sign when you get the points. Okay, so that's what we have. So the answer is C. And if you're asking for the radius is root 20. Okay, If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. This type of problem is coming a lot in exams, so make sure you understand the concept. Basically, you divided this number divided by 2 and then squared it, and you do the same steps that I did, and you're gonna get the answer for the problem. Okay. Again, if you have any problem or any struggle, please write down in the comments and I will be happy to help. And please subscribe in our channel to see some videos like that to prepare you for the exams. And have a good day.